day, ma'am, sir. I'm Angelo Soriano, your personal assistant for today. And I want to suggest to you the place of Twin Lakes, Tagaytay to help you to have a best and great memories of your vacation. Twin Lakes is located not in Tagaytay but in Laurel. Heard the official address to Twin Lakes, Tagaytay in Nasugbu Highway, Laurel, Batangas. How to get there? You might travel by public transportation or private car. You can drive 30 to 35 minutes from Lemery Municipal Hall to Twin Lakes. But if you want to commute, you can ride a jeepney or van and pay 50 pesos in jeepney. Van is 80 pesos each. Then ask the driver to drop off in front of Twin Lakes, Tagaytay. There are need to obtain the tickets. There is no entrance fee. This is for all. The product, service, and food they are provided. There are different restaurants of Twin Lakes, which is Bag of Beans, Bagoong Club, Buon Giorno Cafe and Bistro, Comida de Lola, Hapchan, La Crip, Purple Betel, Cafe and Silver Bucket, Starbucks, Twin Lakes Branch, Greg, Fruit Catery, Amira Buko Tart House, The Farm Organics, Santis Delicacies, Mercedes Twin Lakes, and some unique Prime Twin Lakes. There are many view spots. The restaurant provide a view of Taal Lake and Twin Lakes community. The area just before the entrance to be basement parking lot. Transformed into an observation deck and is plugged by tourists on weekends and during big hours, Twin Lakes has become a popular side trip among family, motorcycle riders, and road trips. No surprise there because aside from a shopping and dining spots, the complex in all is affordable views of the Taal Lakes and volcanoes. The surrounding ridges and the big Turkey Twin Lakes Hotel, this location and views also make in an ideal romantic date or professional the venue. How much the cost? It's up to you if you want to buy food and stay there. The estimate cost, the full tour and including the transportation will be 5k pesos. If you still question and clarification, you can call me. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a great day.